Hello, I'm with the non-governmental organization Kids in Need of Defense, KIND, and this video is part of a series of videos about the CAM program, designed for parents or legal guardians in the United States who are starting applications for their children. CAM, or the Central American Minors Program, provides qualifying parents and legal guardians in the United States who are in certain immigration categories an opportunity to apply for their qualifying children to reunify with them in the United States. Through CAM, parents and legal guardians can apply for qualifying children and certain family members in Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras to travel to the United States with refugee status. Those who are not granted refugee status may be able to apply for parole. These videos will help you learn more about the CAM process. This video will explain KIND's role in the CAM process and what you, the qualifying parent or legal guardian, can expect from us as you start your CAM application process. First, remember that KIND does not work for the U.S. government. KIND is a non-profit organization that works to protect the rights and well-being of children in their immigration processes. KIND can help you to prepare and submit your CAM application, but we cannot grant or deny it. Only the U.S. government can make a decision about your application. KIND will always ask for your permission to share your information with the government or with other organizations. KIND's assistance to you is free. KIND's role in the CAM process is limited to assisting you, the qualifying parent or legal guardian in the U.S., in submitting the CAM application form. For more information on the CAM application, please see our video in the series, The CAM Application. The CAM process has many steps, and submitting the application is only the first part of the process. Please see our video in the series, Overview of the CAM process, to learn more. CAM applications can only be submitted to the U.S. government by a designated resettlement agency in the United States. The resettlement agencies are all nonprofit organizations that work with the government on the CAM program. The designated RAs are Church World Service, Episcopal Migration Ministries, Ethiopian Community Development Council, HIAS, International Rescue Committee, Lutheran Immigration and Refugee Service, the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops, the U.S. Committee for Refugees and Immigrants, and World Relief. Each resettlement agency has many affiliate organizations throughout the U.S. so that they can better assist families who live in different areas. KIND is now supporting the resettlement agencies by preparing CAM applications. Parents and children cannot submit CAM applications to the government on their own, with lawyers or notarios, so you must contact KIND or a resettlement agency to start the application process. KIND can help you with the CAM application process in the following ways. Once KIND receives a referral for your case, we will review your information to confirm whether you are eligible to apply for CAM. Next, a KIND caseworker will contact you and ask you some additional questions and confirm any information from your referral. The caseworker will explain the CAM process and answer any questions you may have. The caseworker will provide you with additional resources, including videos about the CAM process, visual aids to help you understand the steps, a list of the supporting documents you will need to provide to KIND for each person in your family who will apply for, a checklist to help you gather the documents required for the CAM application, and a KIND flyer with our contact information. Once the caseworker or volunteer has received and reviewed the documents requested, they will work with you one-on-one to prepare your CAM application. KIND will review the information and documents you have provided to support the CAM application. After the call, your caseworker will follow up with you if you need to provide KIND with any additional supporting documents. Once the CAM application and supporting documents are complete, the application will be reviewed before submission by a resettlement agency. KIND may need to contact you if updates to the application are required. Once the CAM application has been reviewed, the resettlement agency will submit it to the U.S. government. When the CAM application has been submitted to the government, your caseworker will let you know and will provide you with a copy of the submitted CAM application. After your CAM application is submitted, your case will be assigned to a local resettlement agency near you. At this point, KIND's role in your case ends and the resettlement agency will accompany you through the next steps of the process. Your KIND caseworker will call you to let you know the name of the resettlement agency that has been assigned to your case. Your caseworker will also review the next steps in the process with you, and you can check the CAM process chart in our video in this series as a reminder. Please remember that you can contact your KIND caseworker with any questions throughout this first step of the process. However, once the CAM application has been submitted and your case has been assigned to a resettlement agency, you should contact your assigned resettlement agency with any questions. KIND can help direct you to your resettlement agency, but KIND will no longer have updated information about your case. Please review the CAM contact list to see the numbers you can call once your CAM application has been submitted. There is no cost to submit a CAM application, and you do not need to hire or pay anyone to help you apply for your child to travel to the U.S. under the CAM program. If someone asks you for money to help with your CAM application, do not pay them or give them your information. Instead, please contact the CAM hotline.